Good morning, everybody. We're gonna go up here and cut an old rough looking pine log that's been laying around a while. It ain't got no clothes on. It appears that it's gonna be fairly cleared off, but yeah, the shirt and pants is off. Bark's going. I'm going to cut just some wide 4/4 boards out of it for a cabinet maker that I've got. They love using pine in log cabins and stuff. So we'll see what we can get. They'll probably be about 15 inches wide. See a few of them. Okay, I'm back. I got it squared up. Looks like we're around 15 inches on that. That's going to have a little bit of blue stain in it. Like my man says, that'll just give it a little bit of character. Alright, we're going to get back to sawing this. I'm going to jump over to a time lapse to finish this up. And I'll see you back here in a minute. Okay, here's the results of that log. We got, looks like 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 9 1x15s, 8 feet long. That's 10 board feet. So we got 90 feet of those, and we probably got another 40 board feet to edge over there. So what's that? We're looking at 135 feet out of that log that was almost getting ready to be thrown away. Yeah, well, that's what it made. In my previous video, I mentioned I had a ramp out here. I got it put back up the other day, and that is it. Big help for anybody that set up stationary. I roll my big stuff down. I off bear by myself most of the time. That's why I pull back to the operator's end. Down the ramp, down the roller. Slab rack right there, I toss them over there. Most all my slabs get cut to 8 feet because it works better for the guy that gets them from me, and it's a whole lot simpler to load. Now 12 feet stuff I don't cut those, but 16-foot slabs I'll cut them in half to make 8. But yeah, they go over there. I roll my cants or cross ties or whatever I'm cutting down here, and they'll slide down the ramp, and I can dead pack them right there, or I can strip them. Then I'll just run in over here with the skid steer, and I'll pick them up and carry them wherever they go. Yeah, that's a little bit of this end of the operation. The other end of the building, at a later video, we'll show you the edger and whatnot down there. Yeah, that's all of this pine log. I'll edge those boards off camera on the mill. And edging on the mill is no fun, especially when you got edgers sitting over there. but no more than it is. I'll just knock them out here. So yeah, I think pine is overlooked in my opinion. To me, it's a pretty wood. And it's reasonable to buy in log form and lumber form. But a lot of people, I think, overlooks it. Everybody wants this high price wood, which I don't. I like it too. I like it when I got it. I had to cut this yesterday for a small order. A guy's gonna build a farm table. I don't know why he wanted 2x6s, but that's what he's got. And that's walnut. He's got a makeshift kiln. He'll put it in and dry it and kill anything in it. All right, I'm gonna get this off of here and stacked up and out of the way, and we'll put something else up here and we'll cut another one. See you in a few. Okay, everybody, I was slightly off on the footage. I think I said about 135 feet. Well, I got it stacked up. It's on sticks. It's ready to go across the road to the air drying yard for a while. There's actually 134 feet there. We got 9 1x15s, 2 13-inch wide, 2 10-inch wide, and 3 7s. All 8 foot long. Yep, that's that. And I think I'm gonna get off of here. I'm gonna go get me a bite to eat, and I'll come back, and I may take you along with me to carry it across the road and put it on the air drying yard. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, I don't know how well y'all can hear me. We're gonna pick these up and take them across the road. Get them over there to the air drying.